we're the girls from Cookless Cuisina. I'm Joanne.
I'm Jackie.
And I'm Kelly.
And today we're going to make for you an orange salad. So this week we're doing all fresh ingredients and you know, we're trying to do what's really fresh and healthy. And
salads are not just greens and dressing.
Right.
They're more than that.
Right.
What you add to the greens, they are fruit, they are different vegetables.
Sometimes nuts and things
like
that.
Yeah, just tossing together flavors that really melt together but also pop. So these are navel oranges that Joanne is now slicing, which is really simple. All you have to do is just peel them, cut them into slices, and we're going to be layering them with other ingredients. What I'm doing is I'm cutting up some Kalamata olives that we're going to add to this. Jackie is going to
Jackie,
assemble.
can you start assemble? It's kind of circular, I guess.
All the recipes for these salads are on the website, on our blog. So we're just basically showing you how to get all these ingredients together.
But this one is so simple and
really
so
is.
quick.
It's surprising how something so simple is so delicious. Jackie's gonna make a dish for herself because she's special. And she's also dairy intolerant. And we've got some feta cheese that's gonna go on this. So Jackie gets to enjoy alongside us.
No feta cheese for you.
No feta cheese for you, unless you can find yourself a dairy-free feta.
Which we have found.
Yeah.
Okay, now the other thing we want to do is we want to slice up a red onion. Careful with the red onions because they do stain your hands.
You could wear gloves when you do them. It's the same thing you would do like if you're chopping up a hot pepper. You never want to touch it with your hands.
So what you want to do here is a very thin slice, and we're not going to leave it whole in, you know, as the whole slice. We want ringlets.
Yeah.
So Jackie, you're going to take them apart
And red onions are not as pungent as the white onions or the yellow onions.
plus the colors are so vibrant. You know,
Yeah,
like
so
you get
pretty.
this beautiful red out of it. So
Very summery.
Being that we're filming this during the summer, so. But you can do an orange salad any time of year. So that's the beauty of it.
on that one too.
And I'm just separating these. You can see I have two together. And if you just lightly push them through.
But when you slice them, you have to slice them holding the root end
Right.
on one
so,
side, and you're slicing, yeah.
So there's the root end, and you want to slice it this way.
Yeah, because if you do it the other way, you won't get the rings.
Yeah.
And again, you can put your onions to taste. If you like red onions, put more.
Yeah.
Here's the other thing you could do, if you don't like that pungent, like stingy taste of the onion, you could saute it a little bit, get it a little
Takes it out.
caramelized, and then put it on your salad, and that adds a different layer of flavors.
Little sweetness.
Yeah.
So from here, what we want to do is we want to.
You tell me what to do next.
Let's add the olive oil.
Do you want to do the olive oil before the other ingredients?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So, Jackie, go ahead and drizzle some of that over.
A little more.
A nice generous drizzle.
And that one
Do
too.
some on yours. Jackie's in charge of hers.
Okay, and then we're going to add to that our Kalamata olives.
Do you want to do any, are we doing salt or?
No.
No, that's coming from our, okay, so we have Kalamata, which have salt in them.
So you're going to sprinkle those all around. Look at that pretty color.
I lost one.
Save some for
You
me.
tell me when. You want some for yours?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Want
put
it
some in
all.
yours. You want
Except
it all
this.
Right here.
You tell me when to stop, Jackie. This is
That's
your
good.
salad.
That's
That's good. This guy, do you want more on that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's do the rest of them.
Yeah. Great. Okay.
Oh my
and
gosh,
then
that
we're
looks
gonna
amazing.
Take some crumpled feta cheese. We're going to add that. We just want a little bit on top just for, you know, this
Stay away from mine.
taste.
Jackie's done.
And that's really it.
Okay, no, but now we have an addition of Aleppo pepper,
For a little spice.
which is, it comes from a chili pepper that is similar to what we use in carpathos. It's a Mediterranean spice.
Pretty good.
That's good.
Yeah,
And
we
just
don't wanna
on
overdo,
Jackie's. No, we
'cause-
just want to add a little bit of a kick.
Yeah, a little
That
kick
is
and a
good.
little
That's
flavor.
good. And there we
And
have
that's our orange salad.
our
Mediterranean orange salad. Kalioriksi.
Kalioriksi.